Guys, good morning! So, today is Sunday. So, pupunta pa lang tayo sa gym. Medyo malamig. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Here in the gym. And 7:37 in the morning. It's Sunday. Wala pang masyadong tao kasi tulog pa. Here's the sun. Yan. Planet Fitness. 8 in the morning, medyo mainit na. So we're going home and get ready to church and so tired. So we're going to church together. Ayan. So yeah, we're here in the church. We're starting now. Shopping tayo mga inday. Ayan o, 70% off na lang sila. Cute na mga bag. Ayan. Ito. Sus pa mo. Kulube later. So ito ang ganda. Maganda rin itong brand na to guys. Cars. Where we gonna add? They're gonna be. Nandito kami sa Korean restaurant. Ayan. So nakikita. Yan yung mga ano nila. Umiikot. So ito ilalagay natin sa soup. Mamimili ka kung ano yung gusto mo ilagay sa soup. So, sa akin, more seafood crab, isda, ito, mga shell. So, ito yung nabili natin sa MK. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Pwede isa. Teka, nabili natin. Hi guys, dito na tayo sa bahay and folding the clothes before I go to bed and tomorrow go to work. So that's all my mini vlog.